Look at here, this website has a problem in appearance theme. It is supposed to see here add new theme, but it is missing. Also move your mouse plugin, and then we need to see here add new plugin editor tab, but they are missing. If I click plugin, then we are supposed to see here update, delete, enable auto update, disable auto update. All these options are missing. So we're gonna see in this video how to solve all of them with 3 methods. So hello guys, I'm Iman Sadiq and welcome to WWEngineer. Okay, before do anything, we need to check the user rule is okay or not. So go to user. Look at here, in this website only one user, admin, and rule is administrator. So what happened exactly in this case? When we complete website development and hand over to client or inexpert person, then we create new user and assign like this role. In order that they cannot modify with their raw hand and break down the website. So in this case, missing similar this option is normal, but after rule is administrator, and if you don't see add new feature, then you would like to do treatment your website. So go to our second method, appearance theme. Here whatever theme you have, we need to change the theme. I'm gonna change this 23. You see still problem. If I change 22, it's still nothing happening here. Now go to plugin and then select all of plugin you have here and click this drop down, deactivate, apply. You see all plugins are deactivated. So now if you see problem solved, then what we need to do, install first one, second one, third one by one install plugin. And when you find the problem with a specific plugin, then you can think what you need to do with that plugin. But in this website, all plugins are deactivated, but problem is still remain. So we need to go to our third method, that is your hosting cPanel. So I'm going to hosting cPanel. So this is hosting cPanel for this website. Now go to file manager. Look at here, normally our website is installed in this public HTML folder, but if you add add-on domain or subdomain, then domain directory could be different. But ultimately you need to go to your WordPress installation directory. This is our website directory. Scroll down a little bit. Every WordPress installation folder has like this file when I'm making this video. So click this wp-config.php, right click, then edit, again edit. Scroll down totally bottom side. Look at here, this two-line code, disallow file edit true and disallow file mode true. We need to work with this two line. However, they added to our website, but we need to make it false. If you want, you can delete this two line and save changes, but I'm going to write here false. Also to edit our file, right here false, and click save changes. Go to our website and refresh this page. Now you see add new plugin is back. Also if I click this drop down, you see update, delete, enable auto update. And if I go to theme, then you see add new theme button is back. But still we have little bit problem, that is here we need to see plugin editor option, but it is missing. So to solve this one, click this add new theme, and by default it is popular here, and select this one, Hello Elementor. You can install other theme, just select quite advanced theme. So I'm gonna click install, activate it. Now if I move my mouse plugin, then you see plugin file editor option is back. So this is the solution how to solve the problem in your website. So that's all for today. Hope you learned something new. Also hope you like and comment this video. If you have any question or suggestion, don't hesitate to write in comment section below. Thanks for watching.